back to the channel, man. Y'all see my destination? Yes, Brothers Motors. Now, guys, I'm going over here. I'm getting ready to actually. Hey, look at that minivan. I'm getting ready to close this deal. I set up an appointment with this young lady to get her transmission replaced. Yes, at first I gave her an estimate on overhauling it, but y'all know what? I could not find an OEM transmission pump for 62 TE. We do not have one. In fact, nobody had one. So I had to, she ended up ordering one from a place. They dropped it off. We got it in. I'm about to go over here and he got it in. Well, you know, we work together. So yes, I got him to put it in. Now I have to close the deal. Hey, we got a lot going on over here. Look at that charger. Oh, we got a Hemi. Oh, my man is slammed. Guys, so what I was saying was, yes, I'm getting ready to close this deal as far as, because we work together. I mean, he's no different than me. He's a dealer trained tech just like me. Similar skills, training, all that good stuff. So this just happened to be the spot where I direct all my traffic to, okay? But he don't know the customer. I set this deal up and I got him to replace it, install it rather. So now he got it in. I'm about to go top off the fluid, go reset and relearn all the values, and then last but not least, go test drive it, guys. Yes, I'm going to test drive it, and the customer on their way, and if everything goes well, we're gonna close this deal, guys. That's how we do. All right, so I gotta find a way to get in here. Okay, he look like he still got it in the air. I'm a little early. So y'all hang tight, man. I'll get back with y'all in a second. Stay tuned. Oh, what the hell? Hey, I see what we have here. Yes, I remember this one. I think it's going in a 1500. Okay, another one of those customers just much rather. Guys, let me tell y'all something about the ticking noise. Just because you're ticking does not mean you need an engine. Okay, yes, the ticking noise can be repaired. A lot of people get these estimates from other shops about you needing an engine, and I can understand why. They might be, or they might feel intimidated by such a monstrosity of an engine, right? They might feel intimidated. They don't want to do all that. I get it. You've never done one. Your first time doing anything, it will be intimidation. So with him knowing that, he reached out to me on YouTube. Told me the story, got me an engine here. So that truck is outside. In fact, let's go. Well, it's kind of crammed up out there. But yes, this is the engine for that. So it very well could be built, like I said. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it right over there and we're going to go through it, all the way through it, and have it available for our next customer. Okay. It's ticking. Chances are the bottom end is okay. Only problem is, I guarantee you, is just the valve train, your typical rocker arm failure, guys. That is a known issue with this engine. That does not mean you need to replace your engine assembly just because it's ticking. Please understand that. And if anybody tell you so, they just feel intimidated by trying to fix it. All right, so yes, this going in the 1500. Again, I'm not sure. This is. I'm not sure what this is. Look like a Chrysler oil pan, and it look like a nag one transmission. So yes, guys, we do more than Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Chrysler. You know, we had to open it up some more. Okay, so I wonder what he got going. This is not mine. I don't know what when I can get away, guys, I come over here and help out. But y'all know, my day is pretty much slammed up with other stuff. So, but when I get a chance, best believe I'm over here. Especially with the stuff that I set up, okay? Stuff that I closed the deal on, I really want to be fully involved. I mean, I want a phone call, tell me what else you found, blah, blah, blah. If I need to call back and upsell some things, so be it. But yeah, that's the way we roll, man. We're a team, okay? We is in the process of changing the name, but that won't be a hard sale on the internet. So let me go get. I got some fluid for this van also. So we wanted to go in with ATF plus 4, guys. A lot of the stuff A lot of the Valvoline stuff that we use, we got plenty of it. So I managed to hang on to some of it. Okay, Valvoline is plentiful. So what I'm gonna do is get some of this fluid out. And we're gonna go top this thing up. Like I say, I need to close this deal. And hey, what's going on here? I think he's getting ready to pull the engine. I'm not sure. It's like a Charger. Wide body too, guys. Look at that monster. Okay, yeah, my man got his hand. That's that other Challenger. I know about this one. This is the girl. This is 392. This is the girl that has the. She waiting on some money, some finances. Okay, now the thing about that, guys, when y'all can see we're hurting for space, right? So when that happens, it gets real clustered F around here, right? So she need to hurry up and come up with the finances so we can get going with it. What are we doing to this? I think. I don't even want to say, guys. It's embarrassing, so I'm not gonna say. I don't want to put a business out there. The fact that I got the car on here, if she see the car, she gonna know. Yeah, that's a bad idea. So I'm not gonna discuss that. My man left his tube down here, but cradle. We got one with a cradle. I guess they was doing something they weren't supposed to. Y'all know how these fast cars are, and they messed around and hit something in the road underneath. So we got a full cradle coming for. I think it's here. I think I passed it in front. It's a F-150 down there. It might be something. He closed the deal out on that. Now all of this is not ours. We leasing out 2 stalls, sometimes 3. So, but everybody's over here cool and hungry. Okay, money hungry. They really trying to make some money. So that's how we do, man. Yeah. Let me get this fluid out and take it now, cause he about to wrap this up. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned. All right, I'm leaving Brothers Motors, man. My work here is done. I just did what I needed to do as far as close that deal. Customer coming to get it later. I've already quick learned it, set it, reset it, did everything, drove it. Everything pearls like a kitten for it to be a used transmission. The transmission had 70,000 miles on it. Well, it came out of a 70,000 mile car. Now, I did instruct my partner to go ahead and replace the filter. Okay, yes, go ahead and replace the filter, man. That makes no sense to not service it. Even if it's used, go ahead and service it. In fact, that should be mandatory. Okay, it's like an engine. I remember Jason was telling me when they get a used engine, they go in with new water pump, real main seals, and things like that. It makes sense, guys. But my work here is done, guys. That's all I have. Brothers Motors, hashtag show.